by. You can see them in the event organizer dashboard for calendarsnack.com. And there's 309 events as I click. They're all down here. Won't go into gory details. There's 241 upcoming. You can see how nice our interface is. I can drill into reports via sideways and then drill down and get a invitee calendar invite report if I want to. But what I'm going to do today is go to the send invite button. I'm going to the VIP list, which is our bulk engine, meaning that it is designed to send bulk calendar invites at scale. That means we can send millions of calendar invites to this API in which we've designed. The API itself sends calendar invites to a particular event, and I'm going to show you that today. So I'm going to load up our first one here, which is our test batch of 11. And you can see here, if I click this button, it shows what's in the test batch. Obviously, if you're running in the millions, that wouldn't be appropriate. You'd be at the service gateway with our API. But that said, I'm going to show you the 15th. So today's the 12th, which is Thursday. I have all the NFL games loaded up into this, and you'll see that I'm just going to go through the batch run. So I'm going to pick out the San Francisco 49ers first. I'm going to go down here and say yes, and you'll see the batch run happen. And when I say yes, it's a metaphor for releasing the API, and this is actually what's going on in the background. These email addresses are hitting our API gateway we've built that send calendar invites on AWS Stack, and the 11 there have been sent. So that was for the 49ers. If I go way back up here to the cron jobs, I go back to the next logical one in the sorting order, Tampa Bay. I'm going to clear the data. I'm going to upload it again because we're uploading the service interface itself. I'm going to double click and upload there. Click that button. I've uploaded the same 11. I just did the 49ers. I'm going to pick out the Tampa Bay Buccaneers for 9:15 this Saturday. I'm going to go down, and you'll see that we here have loaded it for you. Confirmation permission to send Tampa Bay Buccaneers at the Detroit Lions. And I think you get it from here in the demo that I'm batch sending calendar invites to this list. It's pretty cool. Nobody else does it with on AWS for sure. And I'm going to do one more here. I'm going to clear the data file. I'm going to go back down to my text file. You'll see it upload here. I'm going to hit the upload button. I'll show you the list real quick as part of kind of this demo kata I have going on here. So I just sent out to the 49ers, Tampa Bay. Next one up the bat is the Los Angeles Chargers at Carolina Panthers. I go down here. Again, this is the demo engine itself. If you were doing it, you could actually just use this service interface called Calendar Snack. It comes with the Calendar Server Kit, in which you purchase, and all this goes on an AWS Stack inside your AWS account. Now, as I'm buying a little bit of time, showing you here the demo 9:15, this is the third batch of 11 or 33 invites went out for these various games, and that one has been sent. So if I want to actually see what's going on here, I can go look, and you'll see that there's 3 in the batch to particularly Amanda, and you'll see that there's 3 in the batch here to Zach that went out. So that's pretty cool. We're the only people doing this. And when I click here, maybe, I'm going to send some data back to our calendar receipt reporting engine. That was a maybe from Zach, a maybe from Zach, and I'm going to do one more maybe. There it is there. That's from Zach. And we'll say Amanda really wants to go to these games, so she's going to go to the Panthers. We're going to go back 1 for Mandy. And there's Mandy again for the Buccaneers. She's going to say yes. And we'll go back 1 more to her email box, and she's going to say yes to the 49ers at the Vikings. Okay, so all that data now is loaded back into our system, meaning that we collected the calendar receipts. How would you know that? Well, I can go here to the Get Report engine. I can go to the 15th, and we can do just a quick sampling on one of these. So let's take a look at the Rams. Let's see, Saints, 49ers. So metaphorically, we know that the first one we started with was 49ers. There's 3 RSVPs have been sent back to the collection box on S3. I'm going to review one of these just here for the demo. In the demo, I've set the get invitee report. That's an Autobot that goes out, gathers all that data out of the S3 box, and sends you a nice report back to the organizer. The organizer is right here. And you'll see that it's 12/16, so this is the latest report. This will be for the 49ers game. And when we go up, you'll see Mandy accepted here, and Arnie, which you did not see, he's downstream. He said tentative, but Zach you saw, so Zach and Mandy, Zach was tentative and Mandy accepted. That's the end of the demo. I appreciate you stopping by and checking us out. Thanks.